Adding a printer to a Raspberry Pi isn't difficult, but it isn't intuitive since there isn't a printer utility installed as part of the default Raspbian operating system. So to add a printer, you'll have to install some software and then use a web-based printer tool.
Hi, I'm Mark Neiman Ross, and welcome to this week's edition of Raspberry Pi Weekly. Every week, we explore the Raspberry Pi and share useful tips.
All Linux installations rely on a package called CUPS, or Common Unix Printing System. We're going to set up CUPS on the Raspberry Pi. Start by opening a terminal window. Update your software. Use sudo apt-get update. When your update is done, enter sudo apt install task-print-server. You may need to agree to the install. Go ahead and type Y for yes, and it's large, so it may take a while. When the install is done, you'll need to add Pi to the user group with printer admin access. At a terminal prompt, enter sudo usermod -lowercase a -uppercase G lpadmin Pi. Now you're ready to add a printer. Close the terminal window and open a web browser. Point your web browser at http://localhost:631. You'll now see the CUPS administration page. Click on the Administration tab and then Add Printer. It may ask you to log in. Now you'll see a selection of printers available to the Raspberry Pi. Choose the printer you wish to add, then Continue, and finish the options for your particular printer. When you've successfully added the printer, you can click on Printers to get a list of all of the printers that are available to this Raspberry Pi. Now when you open an application, you'll see that printer available to your application for printing.
Thanks for joining me for this episode of Raspberry Pi Weekly. Be sure to join the LinkedIn group and check out previous episodes on LinkedIn Learning. I'll see you next week with more Raspberry Pi adventures.